Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the right path, external Bluetooth GPS, or using your iPhone as the location source. Once chosen, make sure the iPad is updated and has enough battery. This reduces pairing failures. Next, install the manufacturer app or a generic GPS bridge so the iPad can read enemy data. While you do that, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPad. Make these initial choices now, because the rest of the steps depend on which method you picked. Once paired, open the GPS app and grant location services permission. This is why the iPad can use the external feed. If you used an iPhone hotspot, open settings on the iPhone and enable personal hotspot and Bluetooth tethering, then enable location sharing and messages, or Find My so the iPad can query coordinates. In the GPS app, choose the correct serial port or NME stream, and set update rate to 1HZ or faster if needed. Make sure the fix indicator shows valid satellites. Now verify the connection by opening Maps or your navigation app and watching the blue dot. It should update as you move. If accuracy looks off, enable high accuracy mode in the GPS app and calibrate the iPad compass with the figure 8 motion. Once satisfied, save the configuration in the vendor app so pairing is automatic next time. If things go wrong, restart both devices, confirm app permissions, and check for firmware updates. That single troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.